Hello, AWS enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of Amazon VPCs, creating a powerful setup with a public EC2 instance and a private RDS instance. Join me as we navigate through the steps to establish secure and efficient communication within our VPC. Let's kick things off by crafting our VPC. Head over to the VPC dashboard, select VPC and more, and give your VPC a name. Choose a single availability zone, set up one public subnet and one private subnet. Oh, and don't forget the NAT gateway in the same as. This step may take a bit, so feel free to take a quick break while it works its magic. Now, let's create an EC2 instance for our web server. Choose the basic Linux AMI, skip the keep here. And edit the VPC settings. Attach it to the VPC we just created, select the public subnet, and enable auto-assign public IP. Create a new security group allowing SSH and HTTP. And add user data for web server configuration. Let's go back to EC2 instance and check if we can access the web server through its IP. Perfect. Our web server is up and running. Now, onto the RDS setup. Choose MariaDB. Opt for the dev test template, name your RDS instance, set a master username and password. Choose db.t3.micro instance. In the connectivity section, choose Connect to an EC2 compute resource. Pick the EC2 instance we just created. Whoops, let's put a correct format for RDS name. This step might take a while, so feel free to grab a second break. With our RDS instance now created, let's take a closer look at how to verify and establish access from our EC2 instance. We've SSH'd into the EC2, and now it's time to test the connection to the RDS, ensuring a seamless flow of data within our VPC. With a successful connection, we've now verified that our EC2 instance can securely access the RDS. This establishes a secure communication channel within our VPC, a fundamental aspect of creating a secure architecture.